In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download all Google Photos at once. We will use the official Google Takeout tool so you can grab your entire photo library in one go. First, go to takeout.google.com in your browser. Once the page loads, you should see the title Google Takeout at the top and a long list of Google products with checkboxes next to them. This is where you control which data you want to export from your account. Now sign in to your Google account. If you are not already signed in, you will see the standard Google sign-in page asking for your email and password. After you sign in, you will come back to the Takeout page and the list of products will be visible again, all based on the account you just used. Next, click Deselect All. By default, Google selects many products, which would make your export huge and slow. After you click Deselect all the blue check marks disappear, so the list should now show only empty checkboxes for every Google service. From there, scroll down and check Google Photos. The items are in alphabetical order, so you will pass things like Google Pay and Google Play before you see Google Photos. Click the box to the left of Google Photos so it becomes checked. Under the name, you may also see a short description that confirms it will include your photos and videos. Once that is set, click Next Step. You will find this button at the bottom of the list. After you click it, the page changes to a new section with options for delivery method, file type and size, and how often to export. You should now see Google Photos listed under Products in this export. Under Delivery Method, choose Send Download Link via email. Open the drop-down menu and select that option. This tells Google to email you a link when your archive is ready, instead of sending it to cloud storage. You will see the selected delivery method appear right under that heading. Under File Type, select Zip. Click the File Type drop-down and choose Zip from the list. Zip files open on both Windows and Mac without extra software, which makes them easy to work with. After you choose it, you will see Zip shown as the selected format. Next, choose an archive size, such as 50 gigabytes, to reduce the number of separate zip files. Click the file size drop-down and pick the largest size that feels reasonable for your connection. A larger size means fewer total files to download. If your library is huge, Google will automatically split it into multiple zip archives of that size. After that, click Create Export. The page will update and show a progress section labeled Export Progress. You may see a message that Google is creating a copy of the files from Google Photos. At this point, you can leave the tab open or close it, because the process continues on Google servers. Now wait for Google to prepare your files. This can take minutes or many hours depending on how many photos and videos you have. During this time, you might see an email confirming that an export was started. When the export is finished, you will receive another email with a download link. When you receive the email, open the email from Google. The subject usually mentions your Google Data Archive. Inside, you will see details about the export, including the date and the product name Google Photos. In that email, click Download Your Files. Your browser will open a new tab taking you back to Google Takeout, showing a page with your recent exports. The export you just created should be at the top, listing Google Photos and the total archive size. Next, sign in again if requested. For security, Google often asks you to confirm it is really you before letting you download everything. After you sign in, you return to the export page with download buttons for each zip file. With that ready, download the zip files to your computer. Click each download button and choose where to save the file if your browser asks. On screen, you will see the download starting, often at the bottom of the browser window, with progress indicators for each file. Finally, extract the zip files to access your photos and videos. On most computers, you can double-click a zip file and then choose Extract to unpack it into a normal folder. Inside, you will see folders that match your Google Photos structure, including albums and date-based folders. Google recommends using a desktop computer rather than a phone for downloading and viewing large takeout exports, because large archives can be heavy for mobile storage and connections. You have now exported, downloaded, and opened your entire Google Photos library using Google Takeout. If this helped you finally get all your photos in one place, a quick thumbs up really helps others find it, and feel free to subscribe for more simple walkthroughs like this.